We can easy to do reviews, literature review. We can easy to identify which are the articles more relevant to the different things of your research areas. First, we can use this is one of the AI based tool, Open Knowledge Map. Basically, it's working with the AI based visual interface, right? So the main advantage for using this kind of tool that you are on this one only, openknowledgemap.org/index. You can try your mobile phone also, or in the laptop you can use it. The main purpose that it is helping to visually explore the scientific literature. Particularly, when you like to know, suppose I am doing the research on the title of critical learning. So when you go to the critical learning, there are different dimensions like the features, the key concepts, and maybe key meanings. So when you write the reviews, we need to go with the different elements and we need to compile this. But here, we have the options. It automatically gives the different grouping, like a cluster. For example, some of the articles we discuss the chief benefits of the group classroom. That one is that we capture and we will say one clustering. And that is called knowledge map, because all kind of articles we can connect directly with this. Like it's like a combination work only. Is doing the work saying like collecting the appropriate article relevant to this particular thing and just keeping it in one circle. And search terms using databases. You will be searching all the database not only for science research, it will be social science research, even for all the research the people are using it now. And allowing users to identify key concepts and papers. And the main advantage for clusters. So you are going to experience how to create the clusters and finding what will happen. No? We can directly import into the your Zotero or in case of Mendeley. Suppose normally we are doing the citation or the references through the Zotero or Mendeley through this kind of reference management tools only. But this advantage is after finding the clusters, we can directly import to this in the BibTeX. This is called BibTeX file. We can import to the Zotero. From this, you can start to write and research article also. And the another advantage is the visual knowledge map, literature exploration, topic discovery, database integration. As already mentioned, this is meant for the all kind of subject streams. It's not only meant for science or social science. Maximum we can use it for the multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary research. These are the other key benefits. I will share the slides. Now we can directly experience the tools because we have limited times only. Now kindly look on to the interface, open knowledge map. And one more good advantage is an open access. It's an open. So there is no need for payment at all, up to now. So this is the name itself called open knowledge. The automatically know the open means the open access here. So map a research topic with AI. And if you want to go to only the PubMed, go to this one. Base means all disciplines. I always go with the base disciplines. And now suppose I want to know more about suppose my research variable is for flipped learning or any research variable which like to explore. So I'm just going to the flipped learning or flipped teaching. Flipped teaching and go for go. It takes few seconds. See this, your knowledge map on flipped teaching is being created. So automatically it's going to give some kind of different clusters. That cluster is like a map. Normally it's called connected papers. There is one more tool called connected papers. Tomorrow we discuss this. The similar kind of tool, but connected papers, it also going to give us a map like bibliometric analysis. We do know there is a graphic representation comes, BibTeX analysis and all. The similar way that connected papers giving this the connection between each article always continues. Now we can see this the cluster. Are you able to see the clusters now? So these are the clusters because my intention to explore the research article related to flipped classroom. But it's in this kind of clusters. For example, this cluster talking about student performance and concept understanding mathematics performance. Therefore, this much of article talking about what? This particular dimensions. And now you can see this right side or the article. PDF file you can download. Even if you want to cite, you can cite. The citation option is there. You have the option called export also. When you go to the export, it comes to the BibTeX. Then this file you can import it to the reference management tools. So the main advantage is that we can find that based on our research variable, which are the dimensions you like to be explored, it automatically giving a different grouping, like a clustering. Now you can see I'm just going back. I want to explore this. This is talking about only 3 articles, flipped mathematics. So therefore, the mathematics oriented 3 articles is giving us a grouping now. Suppose I am doing this research in mathematical things, I can use this 3 articles. And if you want to see, this is called open access. Or you can see there is a small green symbol. This green symbol is talking and is highlighting is nothing but the open access journals. And the good things, if you like click, automatically the article name comes. You are getting this the meta view, meta data about this article. What is title of the article, then who is the author, and the link, and the abstract, the keywords, the PDF file, citation, export. Otherwise, if you are using the Zotero, you can go to Zotero directly. So you know that when you go to Zotero, so we have some kind of, we are using this kind of, this one. So you can see this. I have the Zotero citations. See, this small one you are seeing, no, is automatically saved to the Zotero. Just to click the folder and directly, even this page content may be moved to that particular folder which you like to add into this. So another one, see this much of things you can use it export. And another things if you want to add in your research article, so you can see that there is an embed. Suppose you want to share to anyone, you want to attach in your research. If you go to the embed, this particular image embed is the copy. And you can give your web pages and anywhere you want to copy and paste, you can use it. And this is another option, the site for this particular image. Even this image you like to add in your research. This particular citation you will do. Suppose you want to share to your teachers or your co-researcher, we have the email option also. Just you can send in mail. The compilation of this image automatically goes to. So this way this tool is designed. It's a wonderful tool. You can explore it. Lot of functions are there, but all the functions are open. And another thing, suppose sir I need only the open access. We have the options called show. Click here, click only the open access. You can find only the open access articles. Are you able to find the open access? You can find only the open access. This also short by relevant.